In this video, I'm going to show you how to nominate a person for the Ladue Schools Athletic Hall of Fame. You'll type in www.ladueschools.net, wait for it to load. It will come up. There's the tab About Us. You can go down to Alumni, click on that. That will take you to our alumni page. At the very top of that, you will click on Athletic Hall of Fame. That will bring up the Google form, which is where you will nominate your Hall of Fame nominee. You will have to sign into a Google account, as you see here on the screen. Type in your password, submit, and it'll bring you to the Google form. Once you do that, you scroll down, type your email in again. That way we can get a hold of you in case there are any questions that we may have about your nomination. Click Next. That'll take you to this. This is where you'll type your nominee's name, graduation year, if you have it. Hopefully you do. You will also type in the sport or sports that your nominee has played. In these next two sections, you'll type the nominee's high school awards and accomplishments and the nominee's post-high school awards and accomplishments. Please be as detailed as possible because this will be given to the Hall of Fame committee to help select the nominees for the inaugural class. In this next section, we give you a little bit more freedom. We allow you to explain why your nominee is worthy of being in the Ladue Schools Athletic Hall of Fame. Please summarize their career, list career totals, and pertinent stats and information about your nominee in this section. That'll bring you to the final section. In that final section, you can provide the contact information for your nominee if it's applicable. Please provide an email address or phone number if you have it so we can get in contact with your nominee if they are selected for the inaugural Hall of Fame. You will click Next and it'll bring you to the last page. On the final page, you can click the prompt, "Send me a copy of my response." That will be emailed to you. After you do that, click Submit. And you have successfully submitted a nominee for the inaugural class of the Ladue Schools Athletic Hall of Fame.